A hazard is any source of potential harm, damage, or adverse health effects on something or someone under certain conditions. Hazards can come in various forms and can be classified into several categories, for example, biological, chemical, psychological, physical, and much more. Today, I would like to tell you something about hazard analysis and what are the fundamentals of hazard analysis. But before going in depth, I would like to memorize you that you are on the platform of Safety First Life. If you are visiting for the first time, kindly subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for all future notifications. And if you find the video informative, then like, comment and share it with your friends and colleagues. Dear health and safety practitioners, organizations must work to identify all hazards and unsafe behaviors through a process of inspections, baseline audits, and human perception surveys. Analysis efforts should include the evaluation of planned or new facilities, processes, materials, and equipment. All safety staff members and supervisors must learn how behaviors impact hazard identification actions. Hazards should be analyzed within the parameters of people, machines, and the environment. As a minimum, if you are a safety practitioner or a site supervisor, what you should look for. Number one, understand that hazard analysis deals with the science of and standards relating to hazards. Number two, evaluate hazard information using a practical approach. Number three, investigate accidents and near hit events to discover causes. Number four, conduct root cause analysis to uncover contributing causes, contributing factors. Number five, determine worker perceptions about safety in the workplace. Number six, deal with perceptions if cannot be avoided. Number seven, collect sufficient hazard information for analysis. Number 8. Remember that effective hazard analysis leads to effective hazard control or correction. Number 9. Identify employees at risk of exposure and evaluate control measures. Number 10. Establish a baseline to be used throughout a continuous or ongoing process. Number 11. Use inspections to identify and assess the specific characteristics of hazards in each work environment. Number 12. Determine potential hazard severity and possible effects on workers. Number 13. Evaluate personal protective equipment effectiveness. Number 14. Develop orderly processes for evaluating frequent and serious hazards. Number 15. Involve workers in selecting the processes to be analyzed. And number 16. Use workers to help identify, evaluate, and correct hazards. Dear friends and fellows, these are the 16 key points. These are actually the fundamentals of hazard analysis. But you will never forget, when you are going to conduct workplace analysis, you have to review the records that can reveal some very helpful information. As a minimum, what you should review from the previous record when you are making a comprehensive hazard analysis for your workplace. Number 1, monitoring, surveillance, accident, incident, and near hit records. Number 2, OSHA injury, illness logs, and workers' compensation records for the last 5 years. Number 3, OSHA inspection reports and accreditation survey results. Maybe you are not in the United States, so you have to follow your own regulatory body. Number 4, environmental compliance and regulatory visits. Number 5, self inspection surveys, insurance surveys, and underwriting reports. Number 6, safety committee minutes and quarterly reports. Number 7, employee health program records and data analysis. Number 8, emergency planning documents and drill evaluation forms. Number 9, written safety, health and risk management programs. Number 10, federal, state and local regulatory reports. Number 11, organizational policy and procedures manuals. Number 12, infection control reports and informational data. And number 13, quality improvement information and processes affecting safety. Before, I have told you the 16 points as a fundamental, and now these are the 13 points. These are essential for record reviews. Let us discuss now what to consider when evaluating hazards. Number 1, types of hazards that could create risks for the facility, project, or the organization. Number 2, risks posed by a hazard. Number 3, problems created by a hazardous condition. Number 4, contribution to a hazard to accidents or injuries. Number 5, ways to reduce or eliminate major hazards first. Number 6, likelihood a hazard will contribute to loss in some way. Number 7, employee attitudes and appliance with policies. What you need to do further: identify hazards that have developed as a result of task or job operation. Here, you need to break down a job to determine the sequence of events. Look at all factors, including environmental conditions. Identify unsafe work practices. Identify areas with exposure to biological, ergonomic, environmental, chemical, or physical hazards. And determine the tasks or equipment that must be modified to reduce human exposures. Dear health and safety practitioners, this is a short quick tutorial. I'll go in depth in the next episode. I'll discuss hazard analysis considerations and then job hazard analysis, JHA. For now, that's all. If you have any question, please ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and share the video. Hope to see you soon with a new HSC tutorial. Until then, take care. Good luck and goodbye.